guys, so I am finally over my cold, and it was not cockroach 19 because I did take a test, but we are on my way to my favorite self-serve hot pot place. It's called Big Way. There's locations in Burnaby, Richmond, downtown. So you guys will really think it's cool. You like basically pick everything you want and you pay by weight and you pick your broth. So it should be really fun. I'm excited to show you what it's all about. So come along and see what I get up to today. So a pro tip when you're going to Big Way is they are infamous for their long wait times. So you want to go on their website, and they have each location where you can join like an online wait list. So right now, weekday during lunch, it's not that busy. So we're just at position number 3. But like if you try to go in the evenings, on weekends, I've seen it up to like 60 to 80 parties. So you definitely want to join their wait list ahead of time, and then they'll call you and also send you a text when your table's ready. And you can always check your status on their website. So this is the OG location. It's off of Kingsway and Wilson. This was their first one, but they actually just opened one. I'll show you when we walk around, but it's literally just around the corner on Kingsway. They're walking distance from each other. But I prefer the Kingsway, the one on Kingsway, the one that we're going to, which I'll show you, just because I like the seating arrangement a bit better and it's a bit newer. So make sure when you're doing the wait list not to get confused and to make sure to double check the address. And then here's an idea of the broth that they have. I love the signature malatang when I'm feeling spicy. When I'm not, the collagen bone broth is a good option. They also have a limited edition golden broth that I sometimes get. It's like sour and spicy, and you can choose your level of spiciness. So it's totally a customizable experience. So aside from hot pot, they also do bubble teas. They even do alcoholic bubble teas where you can get them spiced. I personally like the lychee sparkling, and I also enjoy the avocado smoothie. So we got our text that our table's ready. You have 5 minutes to get to it, so make sure you're on the ball, otherwise you're gonna miss out. We're just on Kingsway. There's some beauty places here. I heard Pretty Nails is like a good cheap spot to get your nails done. Yeah, they have a full set acrylic for $29.99. I personally haven't been, so I can't vouch for it, but I've heard good things. But I don't know if it's a you get what you pay for situation. This is a popular Japanese spot in the evening for sushi, Taro Ichiba. I've been there before and liked it. Then you also have Bubble World here, which is always good. It's a classic spot for like if you want Taiwanese food as well as bubble tea. And then we are getting to Big Way. This took where Gokuro used to go. It's a popular shabu shabu place, but they relocated. I love how bright it looks. Oh, cute. They have holiday decor. Oh, and they have a new sukiyaki broth, too. So they're always coming out with new broths. Cajun bone broth, so I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, it's like super nice and comforting. It reminds me of like a winter day, just like having this inside. It like warms your insides. It's not too salty either, which is good. So in mine, I mainly got meat. So I mainly got pork belly and ribeye. You can see here. And then I also got my veggies and a shrimp dumpling. I know the meat here is always super good, so I think I'm gonna... Actually, no, I'll try a meat for you guys. Why not? We're gonna dip it in my concoction. Super yummy. This is what I've been waiting for. So my mom got their signature Malacan broth, and she got the mild. I usually like medium, so if you like spice, I recommend that. She got a different kind of bowl. She got some seafood, so she got the crawfish, and they also give you gloves, so it's easy to take apart, because that's always the worst part. She got some shrimp. What else? Let's see what goodies is in here. She also got crab. We love crab. Crab is so good. I'm kind of jealous of our bowl now. And then beef curd and bamboo. And spam. I love getting spam. So for your she got mild.
It's perfect. There's still a hint of spice to it, but it's very little. But it tastes delicious. I like the balance.
And then we also got rice on the side if you like to have your rice. I need to have my rice. You know, if you know, you know. Also, if you come during lunch during their happy hour, I'll put the times below. You get a free ice cream tea, or their drinks are also buy one get one. So it's always a good time to come during lunch, but during dinner they don't do that. So sometimes they incorporate new items just randomly. This is something new that I haven't seen before. It's a shrimp dumpling. I'll dip it in my sauce. So it's a shrimp paste. It's yummy. It has a good shrimp flavor. The outside is like, I don't know what type of wrapper this is. It's kind of different. It's like, it's really soft. It's almost like, I know it's not tofu, but it kind of has that texture like a thin tofu. The wrapper doesn't have much flavor, but the shrimp itself is very flavorful. I think there's green onion as well. And then dipped in that sauce. It's good. I would recommend getting this.
Okay.
So my mother said I needed to try the crab. Here's the piece. Oh,
The meat just comes out.
it's so sweet.
It's like a lollipop.
And you saw there's proof that the meat comes out so easily. Let me get the goodness. Look, it's so tender, it just falls apart. That's so yummy. And then you can flick it out. Delicious.